Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world around us? This incredible technology is making waves across various sectors. It's reshaping healthcare, where AI is aiding in the analysis of tissue samples, leading to precise diagnoses. In finance, AI-enabled systems are excelling in real-time reporting and processing vast volumes of quantitative data. Even our cars and drones are getting smarter thanks to AI, revolutionizing the automotive industry. And how can we forget travel and navigation? AI is helping us find efficient routes and make travel arrangements. It's no longer a futuristic concept we see in sci-fi movies. Artificial intelligence is here, it's now, and it's shaping our reality in myriad ways. But as we marvel at its capabilities, it's also crucial to recognize its limitations and the challenges that lie ahead. Artificial intelligence is not just a futuristic concept, it's here and it's shaping our reality in myriad ways. AI applications are as diverse as they are transformative. Let's delve into some of the key sectors where AI is making a significant impact. First up, robotics. Robots powered by AI are now capable of problem-solving and thinking within certain parameters. They're performing tasks that were once considered too complex or dangerous for humans, from defusing bombs to conducting intricate surgeries. Next, we have the healthcare sector. AI is assisting medical professionals in analyzing tissue samples, leading to quicker and more accurate diagnoses. It's even being used to predict potential health risks before they become serious, offering a form of preventative healthcare that was previously unthinkable. In the world of finance, AI-enabled systems are excelling in real-time reporting, accuracy, and processing enormous volumes of data. They're helping businesses make more informed decisions, manage risk, and even predict market trends. The automotive industry is also experiencing a revolution, thanks to AI. Autonomous vehicles and drones are no longer the stuff of science fiction. AI is powering these technologies, making our roads safer and our deliveries faster. Finally, let's talk about travel and navigation. AI is helping people find the most efficient routes, predict traffic patterns, and even make travel arrangements. It's transforming the way we explore our world, making travel smoother and more accessible. These examples only scratch the surface of AI's potential applications as the technology continues to evolve and permeate various facets of our lives. It's clear that AI is not just a tool for the future, but a transformative technology that's reshaping our world today. Yet, as we'll explore in the next section, AI also comes with its own set of limitations and challenges that we need to address. But one thing is certain. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we're opening up a world of possibilities that could change our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. While AI has a multitude of applications, it's not without its limitations. Firstly, artificial intelligence, as advanced as it is, still lacks the ability to be truly creative. It can generate results based on algorithms, and it can even mimic some aspects of creativity, like composing music or creating art. However, it does not understand the meaning behind its creations, nor can it conceptualize plots, character arcs, or the nuances of human emotion that often drive creativity. AI lacks the ability to produce truly original ideas, which is a cornerstone of human creativity. Secondly, ethical concerns pose a significant limitation to AI. A common problem is biases in AI systems. These biases often reflect the biases in the data they're trained on. For instance, an AI system trained on biased hiring data may perpetuate discriminatory hiring practices. This can lead to unfair outcomes and exacerbate societal inequalities. It's a complex problem that requires careful consideration and intervention to ensure AI systems function in an ethically responsible manner. Lastly, privacy issues arising from AI's data analysis capabilities are a significant concern. AI can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying trends and preferences within specific audience segments. While this can be beneficial for targeted marketing or personalized services, it also raises important questions about privacy. How is this data being collected, stored, and used? Are individuals aware of how their data is being used, and do they have a say in it? These are critical questions that need to be addressed to ensure the responsible use of AI. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, it's not without its limitations. These limitations, lack of creativity, ethical concerns due to potential biases, and privacy issues, pose significant challenges to the broader adoption and ethical use of AI. Understanding these limitations is crucial to addressing them and ensuring the responsible use of AI in our society. AI is a powerful tool with both incredible potential and significant challenges. With this thought, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've delved into throughout this exploration. We've seen how AI applications are weaving themselves into the fabric of our society and technology, from reducing human error and handling repetitive tasks, to venturing into hazardous situations and working round the clock. In the field of medicine, AI is playing a crucial role in tasks requiring human intelligence like pattern recognition and image analysis. It's revolutionizing sectors like robotics, healthcare, finance, and travel, offering us novel solutions and enhanced efficiency. But as with any powerful tool, AI is not without its limitations. It lacks creativity, understanding of context, and common sense. This restricts its ability to perform tasks that require original thinking and nuanced understanding of human communication. Ethical concerns and privacy issues also come into play, as biases in AI systems can perpetuate existing biases present in the data they are trained on. This can lead to unfair decisions in areas like hiring, lending, and sentencing. These limitations remind us that despite its remarkable capabilities, AI is still a tool created by humans, and thus, it reflects our understanding, our biases, and our limitations. It's a mirror that reflects back at us, and in doing so, reveals areas where we can improve and evolve. The debate around AI's limitations and potential continues to evolve as researchers work towards addressing these challenges. Their aim is to enhance the technology's capabilities and ensure its responsible use in various domains. As we move forward, it's important to remember that the goal isn't to create an AI that replaces humans, but to develop a tool that complements our capabilities, respects our values, and aids in our progress. As we continue to explore and refine AI, we must strive to maximize its benefits while mitigating its limitations, shaping a future where technology serves us responsibly and effectively. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what is possible, embracing the challenges, and exploring the opportunities. Because the future of AI is a journey, and we're all in this together.